मैं मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट समझाओ, ये आप आइसक्रीम में क्यों डालना चाहोगे? क्या आप टूथपेस्ट फ्लेवर्ड की आइसक्रीम बना के खाओगे? Pleasantly surprised by this one. It's cracked, it's fractured. मुझे सस्ती चीजें पसंद आ जाती हैं, I've realized. खानी पड़ेगी. Oh, how cool. Sorry. So guys, आज हम यहाँ पर सब, by सब I mean you and me, एकत्रित हुए हैं with a very important mission. Summer is starting and that is basically ice cream season. So it's very important that we sit down today and we try some very interesting ice creams to find out कि हमारी go-to क्या होने वाली है for the rest of the summer. So today I have with me 13 ice creams जो कि हमने order करी है and I'm going to taste them right here, right now and report back to you which one is worth your money and which one is not. So I'm very excited. Let's get started. Alright, so first of all, this Amchi mango ice cream from Hoko. ये पूरी last year completely sold out थी, तो I'm most excited to try it out because I finally have my hands on it. ये काफी ज़्यादा viral हो रही थी because of how beautiful it looks. It's properly shaped like a mango. This is what it looks like. So it's got this chocolate का coating on the outside. Honestly, I feel like videos में better लग रहा था. ये real life में थोड़ा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है साबुन है कोई, yellow color का संतूर vibes it's giving. But I'm gonna try it out and see how it tastes. I love the color का shading like green, yellow to orange. So that looks very realistic. Now let's see how it tastes. I'm just gonna bite into it. मुझे anyway मैंगो आइसक्रीम बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. As a kid, that mango dolly used to be my go-to. मैं literally रोज खाता था. So it's giving that nostalgia. मैंगो का flavor बहुत ज्यादा yum है. I love the crunchy chocolate on top and उसका भी mouth feel is surprisingly nice. Like it doesn't feel like a cheap quality chocolate. So overall the taste is amazing. I can totally finish the entire thing. So I get why this was so viral. I'm gonna rate this a 9 on 10. I love the packaging of this Huber and Holly guava and chili tub. I love the name of the brand also. This is 275 rupees ka and I am a big fan of guava chili anything. I remember Slow Churn नाम के एक brand की guava chili ice cream भी आती थी. I think the brand only shut now, but I used to love that flavor. So I'm very excited to try it. Looks very nice. I can see specks of chili on top, which is very tempting. She is creamy. So far, I'm loving everything about this product, and now it all comes down to the most important part, that is flavor. I love guava and everything. Like you take the bite and first it's like I say fruity and soothing and chili and then that kick from the chili hits and that's amazing. Chili matlab like thanda chili. First chili is thanda chili. After that is the spice wala chili. And that with the guava is perfect. It's such a unique flavor to put into an ice cream. I personally love it. I feel like if somebody likes it, they'll love it. If they don't like it, they'll probably hate it. But it really works for me. Yes, अगर आप मुझे छोड़ दें अकेला इस वक्त इस गाड़ी में इसके साथ और एक स्पून के साथ, so I think I can literally finish this in one sitting, which is not something I'm proud of, but that's a fact. I'm gonna rate this a 10 on 10. This is giving fancy, it's giving premium, it's called Blockbuster. This is from Have More. ये 40 rupees की है and it's very very delicious. Wild berries, white chocolate compound, not chocolate, covering coated flavored ice cream. All right. तो उन्होंने खुद ही बता दिया है ingredients cheap ही हैं, flavored ice cream है और compound chocolate है, तो ज़्यादा उम्मीदें ना रखें. But it looks really nice. थोड़ा सा wannabe magnum it's giving. मुझे सस्ती चीजें पसंद आ जाती हैं, I've realized. Very mild berry flavor. Do I mind it? No. The texture is काफी average. It's giving ऐसा 10 rupees का cream biscuit vibe, but I quite enjoy it to be honest. And I love ice creams which are like fruity and berry flavored with white chocolate. So this is my vibe. I actually really like it. I'm gonna rate this an 8 on 10. So guys, Blockbuster के बाद अब बारी है Superstar की. ये 182 rupees की Superstar बनारसी पान आइसक्रीम है from this brand called Frubon, which I have not heard about. I don't like pan at all. हमें टीम ने मंगवा लिया है इतना बड़ा tub of pan ice cream. I hate this smell. पूरी कार में ये smell फैलने वाली है. But it looks quite fancy. Extra marks for effort on presentation. I appreciate that. Don't appreciate the smell. All right, खानी पड़ेगी. आधी कभी आधा बाइट में try करना चाहूँगा सबसे पहले. मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा माउथ फ्रेशनर वाइब्स है, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा। अगर मतलब लाइक आई कैन ऑलरेडी टेल यू कि इफ यू लाइक पान एंड इफ यू लाइक सुपारी माउथ फ्रेशनर, अगर आप वो हैं जो रेस्टोरेंट से निकलने से पहले से एक्स्ट्रा माउथ फ्रेशनर उठा लेते हैं, तो ये तो आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद आएगा, बिकॉज इट्स लिटरली गिविंग दैट। मतलब यहाँ पे लाके आई कैन फील मेरे माउथ इज लाइक, मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट समझाओ, ये आप आइसक्रीम में क्यों डालना चाहोगे? क्या आप टूथपेस्ट फ्लेवर्ड की आइसक्रीम बना के खाओगे? नो राइट्स, आई मीन like I give it to them. I don't like the flavor, I don't like this, पर इन्होंने काम तो बहुत ही अच्छा किया है because they've done a good job incorporating that flavor because the flavor is bang on. चाहे वो मुझे कितना ही नापसंद हो, but flavor तो काफी ज्यादा bang on है। तो मैं as a very biased person इसको रेट करना चाहूंगा 3 on 10, but if you like pan, I think you will love this. So try it out and मुझे comments में बताना what you think about it as a pan lover. I remember मेरे बचपन में, as I'm turning 30 this year, तो वैसे you know that old people is telling their बचपन की story vibes is coming. Literally 4 flavors की आइसक्रीम होती थी, चॉकलेट, वनीला, स्ट्रॉबेरी और बटर स्कॉच, और एक महीने में एक का ऐसे फैमिली पैक आता था एंड वो पूरे महीने वही चलाते थे। एंड नाउ सो मेनी इंटरेस्टिंग फ्लेवर्स एंड सो मेनी डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस। आई एम वेरी जेलस ऑफ द किड्स ऑफ the present generation who get to have red velvet ice cream cake slice. It's come in a dabba like this. For us, cassata used to be like the goat. Ooh, looks very pretty. I love the red swirls in the white ice cream. It's trying to be cassata, but it is not cassata. Pura like the entire thing आसपास is cake and बीच में is ice cream. How cool is that? Let's try it out. I remember बास्किन रॉबिन्स का या किसी के पहले आइसक्रीम केक्स बीच में बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर हुए थे and I used to be obsessed. They had a one golden and one black forest. किसके थे वो? Was probably like the first brand to launch ice cream cakes in 2 flavors and those used to be so nice and this is giving that. कुछ ऐसा red velvet का वो नहीं है, it's mostly for the look only, but overall the taste is amazing and the cake का texture with the ice cream is something that I really enjoy. I'm gonna rate this a 10 on 10. I think it's very cute. Next up is Go Zero का guilt free jamun sriracha pops which only has 36 calories, 0 added sugar and it's apparently made with real black jamuns. I'm not a jamun person at all, but with sriracha and a sorbet vibe, I feel like that's an interesting combination which I have not seen India mein pehle, so I'm excited to try it out. This is what it looks like. Love the color. Let's taste it. Interesting. It's giving Kala Khatta went abroad and came back with sriracha. I love the underlying spicy flavor which hits after the jamun ka flavor. Pleasantly surprised by this one. I was prepared to not like it, but it's actually not bad at all. Especially if you love jamun, I think you're gonna like this one. अगर आपको ऐसे fruity and spicy का combination पसंद है, like I love watermelon and pineapple with tahini. I love guava with chili. So this one's hitting that spot perfectly well. I'm gonna rate this a 9 on 10. Next up is this 330 rupees के notoriously good minis. ये नोटो के classic vanilla ice cream है which is basically coated in chocolate and I have a feeling I'm gonna love this because this feels like it's gonna be like a choco bar. इसमें है 30 calories per mini. अगर ये खुल जाता है तो I will tell you how it tastes. Dun ta da. Oh, so सारे individually packed हैं. Let's try it out. थोड़े से shape is a little odd. It's giving Halloween. I wish the vanilla ice cream was more vanilla-y, if you know what I mean. But it's tasting quite milky, but वो vanilla का like actual vanilla bean flavors not hitting. I like the chocolate again. Even on this one, the chocolate का coating is yum. I don't mind this, but I've had better vanilla ice cream. So I'm missing that, and vanilla ice cream, by the way, is my top favorite flavor. This is just okay, so I'm gonna rate this a 7 or a 6 on 10. अब मैं टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ ये 90 रुपीज का बास्किन रॉबिन्स डबल बार चोको फज आइसक्रीम. मैं जब भी बाहर जाता हूँ ना, एक स्निकर्स की आती है आइसक्रीम चॉकलेट बार विच आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद, तो इट्स गिविंग थोड़ा सा ट्राइंग टू बी दैट वाइब. सो हाई होप्स हियर. इट्स गॉट अ चॉकलेट मूस आइसक्रीम, ब्राउनी केक पीसेस एंड कैरेमल कन्फेक्शनरी कोटेड इन मिल्क चोको डिप. तो थोड़े से हैं स्निकर टाइप एलिमेंट्स एंड अंदर से इट लुक्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ चॉकलेट बार विच इज अमेजिंग. एंड नाउ लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट. The textures are amazing. बहुत ज़्यादा यम्मी. Textures बहुत amazing है. The chocolate is perfectly crunchy. Then you have a gooey caramel, and then there's this properly melt in your mouth. अभी बहुत गर्मी भी है इसलिए भी शायद काफी melt हो रही है. But the ice cream का texture is also bang on. And the best part is that it's not overly sweet. And as somebody who's not even a fan of chocolate ice cream, I'm still gonna rate this a 10 on 10 because I think it's very unique and just perfect. This is a raspberry ice cream, again guilt-free duet, 63 calories only, 0 added sugar, and this is the raspberry flavor. And I'm very excited to try it because मुझे वो वाली ice cream बहुत पसंद है which have a fruity coating and a milky center. Let's try the raspberry flavor. I can already see that it's got the seeds from the raspberries, which is very exciting for me. Smells amazing. ऐसे strawberry cream biscuit वाली smell है इसकी. It's also giving frutella वाली smell. It's like a mix of जैसी orange bar वाली consistency वाली ice cream and mango dolly वाला center. I wish the milk वाला center was a lot bigger because giving the raspberry वाला part is थोड़ा सा overpowering. I like it the other way around. And raspberry का flavor is also थोड़ा सा artificial. जितना मैं इसके लिए excited हो रहा था, I think इतनी अच्छी मुझे नहीं लगी है finally. I'm gonna rate this a 5 on 10. This is 70 rupees का Magnum Caramel Pop, which I had no idea existed. मैंने ये वाला flavor कभी भी try नहीं किया है. I always love जो भी Magnum के बाकी flavors हैं. And इससे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि caramel butter toffee vibe आ सकती है. And if that's the flavor, I think I'll really like this one also. Ooh, this is what it looks like अंदर से. जो थोड़ा सा crackle वाला look है, वैसा look आ रहा है इस पे जो Cadbury crackle वाली chocolate होती है. It's giving that look. Perfectly caramelly. It's actually just tasting like caramel popcorn but in an ice cream form because it's got the crunch also and the caramelly flavor, and the vanilla part has beautiful golden swirls in it, and I love this vanilla wala ka thickness, the flavor, the consistency, and with the crunchy chocolate on top. Very nice. And also again not overly sweet. I actually love this one. I'm not the biggest fan of caramel in ice cream, so I'm gonna rate this an 8 on 10, but if you love caramel in ice cream, I think this is just perfect. I'm now trying this 155 rupees ka Noto ka Intense Mocha Popsicle, which has 95 calories and again no added sugar. It says Intense Mocha ice cream coated with chocolate. Oh, बेचारे की बहुत ही ज़्यादा हालत ख़राब हो चुकी है at this time. It's cracked, it's fractured, but it's surviving. So try कर लेते हैं फिर भी. I love the fact that the coffee is actually slightly bitter and it's not sweet at all. Chocolate has a very melt in your mouth feel to it. ये जो ऊपर से बर्फ जम गई है, that's not tasting nice, but otherwise the flavor is actually bang on. It's working. इसकी हालत के मैं 1 mark काटना चाहता हूँ, but otherwise this is something that I can actually finish completely on my own. Not a big fan of the जो popsicle का texture है, काफी ज़्यादा icy है. I don't know if it's because of how it was stored, but flavor is amazing. I'm gonna rate this an 8 on 10. 1 mark मैंने काटा है look का and 1 mark मैंने काटा है texture का. Guys, although I have to say while I loved इसका flavor, I think it's quite expensive. It is 155 rupees ka. Even if I compare it to a premium ice cream brand like Magnum, which uses Belgian chocolate and is only 70 rupees, I understand that this is low calorie and no sugar and all of that. I still feel that for the size and the quality, it is on the steeper side for me. Desi Malai Kulfi from this brand called Grameen Kulfi. Never heard of it. This is 220 rupees की. MRP 240 की हमें 220 की मिली है. And I love how this feels. It's almost like a very premium box and काफी ऐसे nice and heavy. It's got a good premium feel and vibe to it. Let's figure कि खुलेगी कैसे. Oh, अंदर एक पूरा block of कुल्फी है. वो एक्चुअली जो रोल कट कुल्फी होती है वो है. अंदर ऐसे कट करके and each slice is individually packed. How cool! I love this vibe. I love like this comes in a dabba like this and you just lift it and it's nicely packed. I feel like I'm vibing with this more than stick kulfi, which is shocking. Yummy. Guys, so far जो भी मैंने आइसक्रीम्स ट्राई करी हैं सबसे उससे ज़्यादा मुझे यम्मी ही लगी है. It's got this nice cooked condensed milk vibe, very nice flavor, surprisingly not feeling overly sweet, and extra marks for the packaging and the branding. 100%. This is a 10 on 10 for me. so yummy. This is lychee faluda kulfi. Very interesting flavor. 130 rupees का tub है. And they apparently do a lot of other flavors like सीताफल, चीकू, fruity jamun, mixed berries. This looks like a regular ice cream. Even जो scoop बना हुआ है is ice cream only. I don't know if it's lychee faluda kulfi flavored ice cream or what they have tried to do. Smells like lychee and also a lot like rose for some reason. Let's try it. Ooh, I love the texture. It's quite creamy and smooth. Interesting. अगर मुझे कोई blindfold करके खिलाता तो I would have definitely said that it's a rose flavored ice cream and not so much lychee flavor. But you have that nice freshness from the lychee also. It's not a bad flavor, but it's not something that I'll get again because it's थोड़ा सा like feeling odd in an ice cream for some reason. I'm gonna rate this a 6 on 10. 11:30 हुए हैं अभी. हमें पूरे दिन की कैलोरीज ऑलरेडी खा ली हैं सारी आइसक्रीम टेस्ट करके एंड क्लियरली एज यू कुड हैव सीन मुझे सारी ऑलमोस्ट अच्छी लगी. आई थिंक इन दिस वेदर एनी आइसक्रीम इज गुड आइसक्रीम बट सम रियली स्टूड आउट एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड टू गेट देम अगेन थ्रू आउट द समर सीजन. मुझे कॉमेंट्स में बताओ आपको कौन सी आइसक्रीम आजकल इज योर फेवरेट एंड इफ देयर इज एनी न्यू आइसक्रीम दैट यू हैव डिस्कवर्ड और अ न्यू फ्लेवर दैट आई शुड ट्राई लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस नेक्स्ट वीक विद अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ टेस्टेड बाय शिवेश.